Check it.
Hey guys, what's going on today? Back at you from the shop here, and today's the day it finally came. I've been announcing, putting some teasers out there. Some people have been guessing, some people's guessed right, some people's guessed wrong about what the big upgrade to the Audiopipe Blazer is this year. Well, everything finally came in last week with 2020. You know, everything's been messed up this year. But anyways, we're going to get back on track. We're going to get cranking on this thing. So I'm finally happy to announce what the big upgrade is. Some of you have guessed it. Some of you haven't. Some of you have been way off. But anyways, I am finally happy to announce I am now part of Team Limitless. I'm going lithium. Some people will say, no big deal. To me, it's a big deal. I've worked hard for this, and I finally moved up to it. So bye-bye AGMs. I'm going limitless, and we're going to have, I don't know. We'll see what happens with it. But anyways, I'm happy to announce that I'm now part of Team Limitless Lithium. I want to can't talk. I haven't done this in a while. I want to give a big thanks to Christopher Allen for making this happen, and a big thanks to Anthony Kimble. If it wasn't for these two, this wouldn't have happened. So we are now part of Limitless. I am happy to announce that. And we'll see what happens in the unforeseeable future, especially with 2020. So I just wanted to drop a short video announcing that this is what it is. And soon there'll be some unboxing videos. We'll look at what we got, and we'll look at this product. These are the Cyber 12s, two of them. So I'll drop some of those videos, and of course, you know, I got to do videos of switching these things out and figuring out how I'm going to build this and put these in and wiring it all up. So that being said, like I said, just a short video today. I hope everybody's being safe, taking care, taking the precautions you need to take in this uncertain time. So until then, peace on.